Well, on this very windy day today, it's kind of nice out. So with the wind, I'm going to bear through it, and we're going to work on moving some water lines and remove the remnants of this old garden box. Here we go. And like I said, we're going to work on water lines today. So I'm going to take this one right there, and I'm going to move it all the way into the new bed. And then all the way down here, that little bugger, we're going to do the same thing, get it moved in. And maybe you're asking yourself, what are those other lines for? Well, you probably guessed it, or maybe not. They're for my other garden boxes. Hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit that subscribe button down below. I'll let you get back to it. Hey, and if you didn't know, I have a video on how I did my irrigation. Do you hear that? Check it out. Go check it out. Go check out Transforming Your Garden with Irrigation. Go check it out on my YouTube. Link will be down below. Now I'll get to the rest of the video. And well, my ADD is kicking in, and I decided to cut some wood. So we're going to, now we're going to do is we're going to start cutting this out. And halfway through cutting this, my battery on the saw started dying, so I had to go get a new one. So we're going to go ahead and do a little choppy here and get it moved out. Public safety notice, you got those screws and nails pointed straight up. Make sure you flip that wood right over so they're facing down. Alrighty, and on to the other garden box, because why not? So I needed to shrink this one a little bit to make my walkway wider between the garden box and the hoop house. So let's get this guy chopped out. All right, you got to come and take a look at this. So this is my asparagus. I'm going to go ahead and dig this guy out and save it and get it replanted. Alrighty, now that we got that asparagus out, you might have noticed the garden bed that I've been showing a lot. Be on the lookout for that whole awesome build coming out soon. It will be season 3, episode 1 of In the Garden with Matt the Garden Guy. I'm also going to be showing what I've been planting here in the hoop house. And if you're interested, you can also join me on Rhubarb. Go search for Join Rhubarb, link down below too. You can get up to a year of free membership, courtesy of Rhubarb. I appreciate that from them on my behalf. I've been working with Rhubarb on that. But point is I will be tracking all of my stuff that I've been planting in my garden, doing updates in there. And you can also share your garden with me, and I can help you out too. Now let's get back to the rest. Alrighty, now that I'm done cutting all that wood out, I'm gonna go ahead and start digging a new trench here for my new water line so we can get this guy moved over into the new garden beds. Well, and that's it. I got it moved in. It's pretty basic. Just get some PVC glue, get some cutters, glue it all back together. Well, also, I forgot to hit record. But here we go. I got them all moved in, and now they are good to go. And now I have an awesome, nice 3-foot walkway going all the way through. Keep growing. Paw Patrol! Paw Patrol!